So today we're going to talk about what is a social story and how I personally use them. So a social story is basically a narrative made to illustrate a certain situation and help them understand how to deal with that situation. So most of the time you'll hear it from a behavior analyst when they're trying to correct the behavior. That's one way to use it. I also pretty much use it when the second way, there's a change in the schedule, such as they have to go to the dentist, in 2 months. So you let them know way ahead of time what day they're going to be going to the dentist, what time, where it's located, what's going to happen during the appointment, all the way till they end and go either back to school or go home. It's very detailed with pictures and words. And the third way I use it, when you're trying to introduce something new, like trying a new food, like trying broccoli for the first time. Talk about when it's going to happen, why we're trying it, how we're trying it, and if you don't like it, it's okay, and things of that nature. So here's a picture of one. This is one of the girls group, and explain to the girls that this is going to happen, and I let them know that this is going to happen, giving them 30 days notice. Here's another one talking about trying a new food. So these are the two I use the most, and I use a behavior, every once in a while, and it's necessary. So I hope this helps knowing what a social story is.